Hello 10th class students. Today I am going to teach you the poem Abu bin Adam, poem number 9, page number 35. So before starting the poem, I would like to tell you who was Abu bin Adam. Abu bin Adam was the king of Balkh who left his throne and became a saint. He was very noble and peace-loving saint, and this poem is based on one of his incident of his life. And this incident is also written in the holy book of Muslims, the Quran. So let's start. One more thing, he was the saint who believed in the worship or service of humanity, and that is why it was his thinking that if we serve the human beings, that is the love for God. So let's start. Abu bin Adam, may his tribe increase. May his tribe increase means may the people like him. May his follower in the society increase. May the people like him increase. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. He was sleeping and suddenly he woke up. He was sleeping very peacefully and he woke up and saw within the moonlight in his room. What did he saw when he woke up? He saw a moonlight. He saw that his room was filled with the moonlight. Making it rich means moonlight was making the room very beautiful, like a lily in bloom. The room was, because of the moonlight, the room was looking beautiful like a lily which was still blooming. An angel writing in a book. And what did he saw? What did he see in a light? He saw that one angel was writing a book, writing something in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold. He himself was a peace-loving person. There was the presence of angel in the room who was also very peaceful. So that peace made him courageous. That peace gave him a courage. And to the presence in the room, he said, presence means an angel. And because of that courage, which was given by the peace to him, peace in his mind, peace in his room. So he asked one question to the angel. Presence means angel. What writes to do? What are you writing? First question which he asked is, what are you writing? The vision raised his hand. He looked up and with the look made of all sweet accord. Sweet means very peaceful and loving look. Very peaceful look. Answered, the name of those who love the Lord. First question was, what are you writing? And the angel replied, I am writing the name of those who love the God, who love the Lord. And is mine. This is the second question. Then his second question asked, is my name among those people who love the Lord? Said Dabu. It was the second question. Not, nay, so, replied the angel. And what was the answer of the angel? No, your answer is not, your name is not among those who love the Lord. Abu spoke more low but cheerily still. It means he was speaking in a low voice. He was sad but he was not disappointed. And then what did he request? Write my as the one loves his fellow man. He requested to the angel that write my name among those people who love his fellow man. So these two are the questions, these two are the answers, but third one is the request. Here it is not the question. In paper you might be asked the question that what were the question, first question, second question, what were the answers of the angels, but this is the request. What request did Abu made to the angel? He requested him to write his name among those who love the fellow man of the God. The angel wrote and vanished. Angel wrote his name among those who love his fellow man and left his room. Where did he wrote? Book of gold. The next night it came again. Angel came again with the awakening light, with the moonlight which makes the room beautiful. He had and showed the name of whom love of God had blessed. And he showed the name of those people to whom God has given his blessings. And Abu bin Adam's name led all the rest. That means Abu bin Adam's name was on the top of the list. Abu bin Adam was blessed by the God, was more blessed by the God as comparative to the other. Why he was blessed? Because he loved the fellow man of the God. He serves the humanity. So this is the poem. The main question which I have told you. This is the literary device simile. Like word is used to show the comparison between the room and the beauty of the moonlight. Then who was Abu bin Adam? I have already told you the answer. What was he doing in his room? Why did he woke up? How did the room look like? How did the room look like? What was the angel doing? Where he was writing? Here you have to write the book of gold. If you write simple a book, that will be a wrong answer. Then the question which he asked to the angel and the answers of the angel. Then the request made by Abu to angel, and what did the angel did. And next day, what did angel show to Abu? Was he happy or sad? Why he was blessed by the God? Why his name was on the top of the list? And one more thing which is important. After asking first question and after receiving the answer of his first question, was he sad or disappointed? The answer will be he was sad. That is why his voice was low. But still he was confident. He was not disappointed. You can see cheerily word is used. That means still he was confident. That is why he made a request to the angel to write his name among those who love his fellow man. Now come to the theme. The theme of the poem is to serve the humanity. Those who serve the humanity, they receive the blessings and love of God. That is the theme of the poem. So this is all about the poem. If there will be any question, you can write down and we will discuss it later. Thank you.